Meet the Gates Super Tracker, a custom Harley-Davidson Sportster S built by me, Tor Drake. Powered by a complete Gates CenterTrack drive system. For decades, riders have trusted Gates belts on the road. Now Gates CenterTrack takes that performance even further. Designed to shed mud, dirt, and debris. Built to perform wherever the ride leads. Lighter, narrower, and more agile. Engineered as one complete system from belt to sprockets. The Gates Super Tracker featuring the Gates CenterTrack drive system.